Do you want to reduce workers' compensation claims? Do you want to be able to set HVAC units with just one man? Then the Backsaver Lift is what you are looking for. Now you can safely handle equipment on your job site and lift those heavy, awkward units with ease. With the Backsaver Lift, there is no more heavy lifting, no more 3 or 4-man crews to lift and set one piece of equipment. The Backsaver Lift has a 3-axis movement: raise, tilt, and right to left rotation. With these convenient features, the outdoor unit can be set on a level or angled frame by simply rotating the mast to level the unit. Due to the efficiency requirements increasing, HVAC equipment is becoming heavier and harder to handle. The Backsaver Lift can help move even the heaviest 600-pound geothermal units. The Backsaver Lift has the ability to not only navigate through yards, but also, when possible, to drive completely into the basement to set the equipment. The lift has been designed primarily for the HVAC industry, although its benefits are endless in any industry. Visit us at backsaverlift.com.